Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that this looks a little bit different from what you might be used to seeing in my background, but I had to do some renovations at home recently because of a leak, and floors got messed up and all that kind of stuff. So this is really the only filming space that I have right now, because where I usually film there's just a bunch of boxes and my dining room chairs and all of that stuff. So I'm just sitting here with a couple of boxes, holding out my camera and sitting on the floor in front of the bedroom door. But I've been doing a little bit of beauty shopping and kind of like updating my skincare routine or repurchasing things that I've been liking for quite a period of time. So I just wanted to come on and share that with you today. So in a nutshell, I'm going to be going over the things that I purchased from Sephora during their VIB sale, but also Kiehls was having like a friends and family, I think it was 20 or 25% off on their website and in store recently. So I did pick up a couple of things from there too. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into it and show you what I got. So I'm gonna start off with the Kiehls products. So I picked up this Kiehls Ultra Facial Cleanser, and this is just a pretty basic face wash. I really like it. I feel like it lathers up really well. So on the bottle it says that it's a mild cleanser. It should, thoroughly cleanse your skin and remove makeup without over drying or stripping your skin of its natural oils. And that's pretty much what I feel like it does. A little bit goes a long way. You don't have to use a whole ton of this. And Chris uses this too, so that's why I picked up 2 of them. So one thing that I like about shopping at Kiehls is if you do have like empty Kiehls bottles, you can take them into the store. I think you need 10 like full-size products that are empty, and you can redeem them for some kind of free gift. So they have a selection of things that you can choose from, things like their lip balm, which I'm currently using. I think it's really good. But in my opinion, if it's a product that I really like, I don't mind stocking up on it, especially when I'm turning it in for a free gift or something like that later. I feel like it's kind of just a win-win all around. The other item that I got from Kiehls is the Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream, and this I really like. I have used it once before, so this is the second time that I'm buying this. This is for normal to oily skin types, and personally, I like gel moisturizers during the summertime because it's pretty hot. It's actually really hot in this room right now because I turned off the AC and the fan. But this kind of helps you not feel greasy or anything like that. It's very lightweight. Like I said, great to use in the summertime, along with sunscreen, which I really like from Kiehls too. So if you're looking for any new skincare products, I would suggest these 2 and also the Kiehls sunscreen, if you can find that there. It's the one that I like is the one that has like the orange labeling. They have another one that's kind of like a blue turquoise, but I prefer the orange one because it's not like a colored or tinted sunscreen. I did also get a couple of samples with my purchase, and sorry, these are maybe not as exciting, but I got a sample packet of the oil-free gel cream because I'm going to be traveling in a couple of months, so this is probably something that I'm going to take along with me. But I also really like Kiehls shampoo. Their body wash is pretty good too, but I haven't used their shampoo in a while, so I would just want to like revisit it and make sure I like it, still, before I go ahead and buy a full size. So I picked up their amino acid shampoo and conditioner. So if you're wondering about using any Kiehls shampoos, I really like these 2 items. When I tried it before, I felt like it made my hair feel very like nourished. I color my hair a lot. I haven't stopped coloring my hair since about 1999, so my hair can be pretty dry, although my hairstylist says my hair is pretty healthy. But this definitely helps my hair feel moisturized and not as like, my hair doesn't really, do you consider this frizzy? I don't style my hair, but this is what my hair normally looks like. These are definitely a shampoo conditioner combination that I like in case you're looking at shampoo and conditioner from Kiehls. Okay, so getting into the Sephora VIB stuff, initially I was hoping to make a thumbnail picture where I was holding my Sephora box up in the picture, but that's one of the boxes that I'm using to hold my camera up right now, so I don't have that. But I wanted to try some new things from Sephora, also revisiting one product that I've had before, so I'm just gonna get right into it and show you what I got from Sephora. So the first product that I got is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence, and basically this is a product that's been around for quite some time now. I have used SK2 products in the past. It's just been a little bit of time. There's just so many things that I want to try out there, you know what I mean? But now I'm coming back to this essence because I have been getting a little bit more into essences. I feel like in general they have been helping my skin feel more like hydrated and just kind of like better overall, to be honest with you, like not uncomfortable, or when it's dry it feels kind of like tight. I feel like essences have definitely helped my skin improve in that kind of way. Right now I'm finishing up one from Kiehls, which is almost gone, so I definitely want wanted to shop the Sephora VIB sale to buy the SK2 one because this one is pretty pricey. It's over $200. I definitely wanted to buy this one during the Sephora VIB sale because SK2 is a very expensive brand, and I figured if I'm getting any kind of discount, I definitely want to use it towards purchases that I know I'm gonna love but are on the more expensive side. This is a giant bottle, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna last me a while. I know when I had used the facial treatment essence in the past, I really did like it, and I only had a small kind of like deluxe sample size at the time. I think it's one of their smallest size that came in like a little kit. Probably, I take that back, it probably wasn't a deluxe sample size, but really wanted to go back and try using this again. This is actually a special edition of the product. That's why you see it in this like colorful box right here, and the bottle actually looks like this as well, which I thought was super pretty. And if it's the same price, I thought like, hey, why not get it? My favorite color is blue, and I think this looks really cool. So I can't wait to start using this one right after I finish up my other essence. So the next item that I have here, and this is in no particular order, this is actually from the Sephora line. So this is a gel cleanser. It says cleanse and tone for face, eyes, and neck. 99% of these ingredients are from natural origin, and I've kind of been looking into more natural products lately for no particular reason. I just feel like I'm kind of interested in that right now. So I thought, why not? I did need a new face wash. I mean, until I bought these guys right here, but I'm washing my face like twice a day every day, so I mean, it's not like I'm never gonna get to use this. I am really excited to start using this one and try it out. This item was actually pretty inexpensive, so I thought, you know, why not? I can't see how it could go wrong, but I'm looking forward to using this as well. The next item that I have here is a lip treatment by Fresh, and this is a new like flavor, I guess you'd call it, in mint. So I have used a couple of Fresh balms in the past. It's just like a regular stick lip balm, and I was really just looking for a lip balm that won't come uncapped on accident, like in my purse or anything like that. So I have been downgrading my handbag to something a little bit smaller just to kind of see how it goes, especially because there's some other handbags that I'm looking at getting that can't fit as much. So I did want to get a lip balm that shut a little bit better, and this one you have to turn it a little bit to open it up. And usually when I carry anything like this in my handbag, I like to put it in a small cosmetic pouch just in case anything happens and the lid comes off for whatever reason. So that's really the reason that I wanted to try this one, and plus it was like a new like minty sort of flavor, so I thought, why not? It'll probably feel really good on the lips. I haven't tried this out yet, and I almost feel like for every other product you're gonna see in this video, because they're new to me, I'm gonna say I'm excited to use this, but I am looking forward to it. So this item right here is from Supergoop, and I actually have been using the Supergoop, like their regular everyday sunscreen, for the past several months now, and I've been really liking it. So of course that makes me curious to try some of their other products. So this one is a cream eyeshadow, and it's in the color Golden Hour. And I think one thing that's really different, and the reason why I was so interested in this product when I first saw it, I'm one of those dedicated sunscreen wearers who wears sunscreen every single day. But the thing is, I honestly don't put a lot of sunscreen in the eye area, and this one's perfect because it's a cream eyeshadow that has 30 SPF in it. So let's go and see what this color looks like. I saw it online, but you know, sometimes it's hard to tell. So it comes in a little jar like this, and it looks pretty light. I feel like this will be kind of more like a natural or like lighter color than my skin tone is right now. So I think it'll help look pretty like fresh, and hopefully help me look a little bit more awake if I'm wearing it during the week to work. But I think this is pretty cool and such a great idea. Okay, so I have 4 more items right here, and they're all by The Ordinary, and this is also a brand that's new to me, but I know it's been around for quite a while, and a ton of people just keep talking about it because it's affordable, and everyone says that these products are super effective. So I did a little bit of research to kind of think about what I wanted to pick up, because I know also because of the price point of this product, it tends to sell out pretty quickly. And so the first day that I could, you know, jump into the Sephora website and make my order, I did, because I didn't want the site to run out of any of these items, because I really wanted to try them. So I'm just gonna go through each one and tell you which ones I picked up. So the first one here is the Caffeine Solution 5%. And I'll be honest with you, I didn't really read that well when I was shopping online, and I did not know that this is for the eye area, but that's okay. I mean, I also have been thinking about using more eye cream type stuff in the morning, which I am not so great at. Eye cream for me is something that I more so use at night, but it just comes in one of these little droppers right here. But a lot of The Ordinary products come in a little dropper like this, and their products, I want to say, are pretty inexpensive. When I was looking online at the different prices, I want to say they range between like $7 to maybe like $13 or so on average. So if you're looking for any sort of affordable skincare, maybe look into The Ordinary. I mean, a lot of people are saying great things about it anyway, so, and you can't really go wrong with $7. The next item here is called the Buffet, and it is a multi-technology peptide serum. So I am finishing up a Skin Inc serum right now, and so I was looking for something else that was kind of gonna like do everything for me all at one time. So I thought I would give this one a try, and that's why I picked it up. I also got their hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. So this is to be used for hydration, and I was told a lot of people mix it with their vitamin C suspension. So what I'm planning to do is put these two things together. I think this one comes in more so of like a tube form though. Okay, so it looks like this. So what I'm thinking I'll probably do is I'll put some of this in my hand and then drop the hyaluronic acid into, you know, a small amount and kind of mix them together before I apply them. This is actually a smaller bottle than I thought it was going to be. It's only 1 ounce. Maybe all of them are 1 ounce. So yes, actually all of the Ordinary products that I purchased, they're all 1 ounce. And the reason why I picked that vitamin C suspension is because I'm basically like a sucker for vitamin C products. I use vitamin C almost every day. It definitely helps do a variety of different things. You know, antioxidants are great for your skin. That's the reason why I picked it up. But these are the 4 items that I picked up from The Ordinary. All right, you guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you also shopped any of these sales, the Sephora VIB or the Kiehls Friends and Family, let me know what you picked up down in the comments below. Let me know if some of the items that I got are the same ones that you got, or if you're interested in any of these. If you have any products recommendations for me, I'd be more than happy to check them out because I'm always looking for new things to try. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.